Lori from Siegel Solutions, and I'd like to show you how you can customize your invoice PDF, or the invoice that you send out to your customers in QuickBooks Online. So changing the style, and to do this, you would want to go to the gear in the upper right and click on Custom Forms and Styles. And when you set up QuickBooks, it gives you the standard. So I'm going to edit this. And this is our standard. But I can change it around. So the first thing is design. I can change up the template. They have different templates. There's 6 different ones that you can use. So I might want to use the friendly one. I can add a logo. When you add the logo, it asks you where you want to put it. And you can change things that way. It will also change your color to match your logo. Or you can change the color yourself. And I like my green one. And I can also change the font. I'll be honest, I like Helvetica, but I do want it to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to make it a little bit larger. And then as I'm looking at this, I don't need all this information on my invoice to go out to my customers. So I'm going to click on Content. And I'm going to start with the top. And business name, we can get rid of the phone number, or say, oops, that was the wrong phone number, let's put it in the correct one. And you can also change the email address. So we're going to put in the phone number. You can put in the street address. You can say what you're calling it. So let's say you're doing an estimate, but you want to call it a quote. You can change what you're calling it. You can have your custom numbers. And are you going to want to display shipping or the due date? So we can uncheck those. And we can also bring in the custom fields that we've created. Then if I click in the middle, I can say, I don't want the product and service to be there, but I do want the description. I don't need a quantity or rate, and I just want it to be, I don't even want date of service. I just want it to have the description and the amount. Very easy. If you have SKU numbers, you can use that. We can have quantity. We can also change it around that we can see quantity first. And we can also edit what we're calling things. So instead of description, we can say item, or so we can change the label right here. And then if I scroll down, this is where we would put in, if you want to say thank you for your business, please send your payment to a certain place. What is the message that you want to put on all your forms? How do you want to see it? Okay. Putting in your tax ID number, because you're always asked for that. You'll put those things there, what font you want it in, and how you want your total to be here. And check to our PO box. Something like that. You'll put in some more information, and it will put it there. So you can put in the message, you can put in a footer. Thanks for your order. And you can keep it centered. I want it large, but actually I like it over to the right under the amount. And I can hit done, and that's all set for a custom look and feel for your company. We can also then, I can rename it. And I could have also gone up to new style and had different styles that when you're creating the invoice, you can choose which one you're using. Hope that tip helps on how to customize your forms. Once again, this is Lori Swartz from Siegel Solutions.
As a QuickBooks Solutions provider, Siegel Solutions can offer you QuickBooks Online for 30% discount for the first 12 months. To receive this great offer, just scan the QR code on screen or visit the website below the QR code. Once again, it's an exclusive offer from Siegel Solutions. for 30% off of your new subscription of QuickBooks Online for the first 12 months. To learn more about Siegel Solutions and our QuickBooks consulting services, which include cleanups, new file setups, third-party integrations, and we also offer ongoing bookkeeping services, visit our website at www.siegelsolutions.com. You can also email us at info@siegelsolutions.com. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube for more of our tips and tricks videos.